What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a real quick tutorial about how to summarizing videos using AI. So I'm going to show you two methods, and one is going to work and one is not going to work. Which one is going to work? Let's see. Okay, first you have to go to YouTube and you have to choose the video that you want to get a summarize. So I'm going to choose this video. It says learn Python in 1 hour. I'm not going to spend 1 hour in learning Python. Of course, I'm going to click the video, stop the video, sorry, and copy the URL. And first I'm going to ChatGPT. Okay, let's see whether ChatGPT can summarize this video or not. Okay, I'm going to type summarize this video, and I'm going to provide the link as well. Here you are. Okay, here you are. So you're going to get this message, this error. It says I couldn't load the video from the link, internal error. If you like, you can tell me the title or send a transcript or key parts. I'll summarize it for you. So basically they can't access YouTube videos, so they can't watch or access any YouTube videos directly. Or the thing is that you have to provide them a transcript of the video. We are not going to do it. We are going to follow a very easy method, which is so easy and anyone can do it. So we are going to Google Gemini. So you have to go to gemini.google.com, and I'm going to type the same command that I typed in ChatGPT. So I'm going to type the same command. Here you are. Let's see. Here you are. Let's see Google Gemini can do this or not. Seems like it's going to work, guys. Here you are. Here we go. Here we go. So based on the video at this URL, the video is a Python tutorial for beginners, and the tutorial covers the following topics. Okay, we have got a clear summarized bar in just like in bullet points from Gemini. It's simple as that. If you want more, if you want to know more things about this, maybe you can ask Gemini what are the key points of learning Python. So see, based on the video summary from previous conversation, here are the key points of learning Python for beginners tutorial. Of course, it's going to give you any information regarding the video. So Google Gemini can access YouTube links, and they can directly give you a summary about the YouTube videos, that whatever the YouTube videos you have in your mind and you don't want to watch like longer videos, like 2 hours, 3 hours long videos, you don't want to watch them. So first thing first, copy the link and come to Google Gemini and say you want to summarize this video. Simple as that. And you can ask Google Gemini about any questions regarding the video, so you can get relevant information regarding the video and so on. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.